saxophonists. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your saxophone. So right now you should have your case flat on the ground, and you need to make sure that you have the Yamaha symbol on the top. You can also tell this is the top by reading Yamaha here. If it's upside down, it's wrong. And if you got it from Ellis, they put a sticker here on the top. If it's upside down, you'll see there's no Yamaha symbol. Yamaha is upside down and the Ellis sticker is hidden. So you need to make sure you have the top up. If you open it the wrong way, it's going to break when you open the case. So carefully open your two hinges and open on up. You'll see the body of the saxophone is the big portion. This is called the neck. Kind of looks like a gooseneck. And you have your mouthpiece cap, and the ligature. Today, I'm not going to show you how to put this together. That is a separate video of how to put the reed on the mouthpiece. So please make sure you watch that video as well. So here is how we put together our saxophone. You are going to take the body by the bell right here, this round part here, and we're going to lift the body out. Sorry, before you do that, put it back. You're actually going to take your neck strap. Your neck strap is in your case. Unwind it, and you're going to put that around your neck like this. You might want to tighten it just a little bit if you can. This one's brand new and it's not mine, so I'm going to not tighten mine. Then you're going to take the body by the bell. We don't want to grab all this shiny silver metal. We're going to take it by the bell, put it in our lap, and attach this hook of your neck strap to this round hole. You just hook that through, and now it can kind of hang by your neck. Then you can tighten your neck strap. It's difficult to do at first, so if you need help, just come find me and I will help you do that. And we're going to tighten it so that it won't go anywhere else. So I've got the bell and the body all attached to me. Then I'm going to take the neck. It is very important that when you're assembling the neck, there is this part that moves up and down. We don't want to touch this part as much as possible because it's very easy to bend it. And if it gets bent, you have to get it fixed, and it's kind of expensive to get fixed. So don't touch this. I always like to grab kind of near the cork, or you can hold right here, but not this metal part that moves. There's a black little circle inside of the top of your body. You can put that in your case. Make sure the screw at the top is a little bit loose. It does not have to be super loose. And then this metal portion is going to go like this with the cork facing your mouth. Before you push it on, watch very closely. This metal part has to go over this metal peg. So as I twist it gently, I make sure that this silver metal went over that peg. Watch one more time. So when I take it off too, very tiny twists. Twist back and forth, not a lot. So watch one more time. It's over the peg. I'm just going to gently twist, 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 twist so that the peg is inside of the metal. Notice I never touched the metal when I did that. Now I gently turn the screw that's right here away from me. That tightens it. Turn it away. That's tighter. And now you're going to take just the mouthpiece. No ligature yet, just the mouthpiece. The hole goes towards the bottom. The Yamaha sign goes up top, or whatever brand your saxophone is. And you can just hold it in your hands, and then it goes right here. Again, we don't want to grab here because you're going to hurt your instrument. Just twist it on. If it's difficult to put on, you have something called cork grease. And you're just gonna, it looks like chapstick, but it's not. You put it on the cork right here. You just put a little bit of cork grease on, smush it a little bit with your finger, and then this will slide on super easy. You want to do it until there's about a centimeter of cork showing. You do not want to put the mouthpiece all the way on, but you also don't want it to be out here because that's not stable and you're going to hurt your mouthpiece. You want it about 1 centimeter away. Now, to take it apart, you twist your mouthpiece off, put it back in, then loosen the screw. It comes towards you. Gently twist while pulling up. Notice how I'm only going a little bit to each side, maybe 1 inch each side. Inch by inch, I twist it out until it comes out. Safely put your neck away. Then we can finally unhook the body. I'm holding by the bell. And the body safely goes back in. But there's one last step. Remember that tiny little black piece? You need to put that in the end. So you don't have to tighten it in. It just needs to stay there. And then you put the rest of the saxophone away. And it looks nice again. Watch the other video on how to put the mouthpiece together with your reed.